In this video, I'm going to walk you through the student login process and show you how to simplify it for your students. First thing we're going to need is our student usernames and passwords. If you haven't already set up your class or classes, please watch the video titled Getting Started or check out the Quick Start Guide for info on how to do this. I'm going to quickly log into the teacher dashboard to get a list of my student usernames and passwords. From the home page, I'm going to click on the Students tab and then click the Password List button. If you're connected to a printer, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-P on PC or Command-P on Mac to print your list of student usernames and passwords. Now that we have our student login info, let's go back to the school login page. Your school ID should be saved for you. If it does not appear, you may need to adjust your browser cookie settings. You can do a quick Google search for how do I turn on cookies in, and then whatever browser you're using. For example, how do I turn on cookies in Google Chrome? Once you're ready, you can click on the student icon. On the next page, students will simply need to select their class from the drop-down menu, enter their username, password, and click the login button. Student usernames are not case sensitive, so the first letter does not need to be uppercase. That's it. Now students just need to choose a program. If a pretest or custom assignment has been previously assigned, that is what the student will see here. To learn more about pretests and assignments, please see the assignments video. The student login process can be further simplified by checking the Pick Students from a List box and entering the school password. Unless it's been changed in the teacher dashboard, your default school password will be School Pass. Once you've entered your school password, just go ahead and click the student icon. You can now bookmark the class selection page or add a shortcut to the desktop for easy access. The easiest way to add a shortcut to your desktop is to resize the browser window and then left-click on the little icon ahead of the URL in the address bar and drag it to your desktop while holding down the left mouse button. If you're on a Mac, you may need to also hold down the Control key. Now all students need to do to log in is double-click the icon, select their class from the list, select their name, enter their password, and click Go. If you're setting this up on iPads, you'll follow the same process, but instead of dragging the URL to the home screen, you'll tap the Share icon and then select Add to Home Screen from the menu. This can only be done using the Safari browser. For optimal iPad performance, we recommend running the software using Google Chrome. Chrome can be downloaded free from the App Store. Students can use the Safari home screen icon to launch the class selection page and then simply tap the running Chrome link in the top right of the window to reopen the same page in Google Chrome. Please note that the school ID will need to be entered at least once in Google Chrome for this shortcut to work. There you have it. This should make accessing Essential Skills extremely easy for your students. If you're setting Essential Skills up on Chromebooks, you can access step-by-step instructions by clicking the Simplify Student Login link found in the email you received when you registered. As always, please do not hesitate to contact us should you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you for choosing Essential Skills.